if the money is higher, moral comes down. That's the anything like going on a motorcycle ride. You can just blog it. Like talking to your family, even a general family conversation, you can record it and post it. Like there are several examples on the YouTube channels, like Saurabh Joshi or
Is
these.
there any future of that?
There is actually quite a future, and since like okay, it can be a future proof or security, but in a span of time, you can earn a good amount of money so that you can invest in a further business or things like that.
People want comfort. People just want to do government job because they want luxury. They don't want to do job.
गवर्नमेंट जॉब के चक्कर में लोग 10 साल गवा देते हैं। उस 10 साल में वो 10 लाख 10 करोड़ रुपए कमा सकते थे।
One of my sister told me, those who are preparing for UPSC or SSC exam, if they will take interest in different fields like in private sector, they will earn lots of money. So we have to change our mindset. We have to create awareness among us. And Bihari people are not aware that much, they are struggling day by day.
नमस्कार, मैं सोनम सिंह। आज हम जुड़े हैं बच्चों के साथ। लगभग हमारे साथ टीनेजर्स वैसे बच्चे जुड़े हैं जो कि अपकमिंग फ्यूचर्स ऑफ बिहार, अपकमिंग फ्यूचर्स ऑफ भारत होने वाले हैं। तो हम लोग उस टॉपिक पे, बेसिक हमारा टॉपिक ये हुआ कि जो लोग अभी से इनकी जो जड़ें होती है वो बनने लगती है, तो क्या सरकारी नौकरी के पीछे भागे या फिर हमें कुछ और अच्छा करना चाहिए, या फिर क्या क्या स्कोप हो सकते हैं फ्यूचर में। वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट। हाँ, क्या लगता है कि आगे का फ्यूचर क्या देखते हैं आप?
फ्यूचर तो सब लोग अच्छा ही देखते हैं, और मेरा कहना है कि अगर किसी को जॉब ही करना है तो बिहार में क्या है, सबको एक गलत फहमी है, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग यू कैन से। पीपल आर जस्ट रनिंग आफ्टर द गवर्नमेंट जॉब, दे आर नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट द private jobs are also available. You can also do best in your private jobs. Not about only government jobs. And people are not aware about the private jobs. People are still thinking those who have government jobs are better, living their life in appropriate way. Those who don't have like government jobs are not living their life in appropriate way. So people need to know there are so many options except government jobs, such as you can go in aviation this industry, you can go in MBA, BBA. There are so many options which are recommending you which can provide you so much good salary as compared to government job.
ये बताइए, प्राइवेट जॉब करने के लिए या फिर अपना कुछ करने के लिए सबसे ज्यादा क्या जरूरी है?
इन माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मेरे को लगता है कि सबसे ज़्यादा स्किल्स इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। एज वी ऑल नो दैट जॉब्स इज नॉट अबाउट डूइंग 9 to 5 jobs, because in nowadays it's all about digitalization. So as we know that we can also do the freelancing. If you have the skills, then you can go on any site of freelancing and you can do 1 to 2 hours job, and they can pay you very well, but people are not aware of it. They thought going to office doing only 9 to 5 job is a job. And in Bihar, people are going towards the government job. They don't want to explore the other things in the private sector, in the digitalization sectors.
वन मोर थिंग, आजकल ट्रेडिंग बहुत बड़ा वर्ड बन चुका है। लोग इसका इंस्टीट्यूट खोल रहे हैं, लोग इसके बारे में जानने के लिए बहुत सारे कोचिंग ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। क्या ट्रेडिंग सच में एक फ्यूचर हो सकता है?
According to me, yes, trading would be the future, because our youth is totally getting merged in the jobs. Like they just think, if I talk about Bihar, सबको लगता है गवर्नमेंट जॉब लेना सब कुछ है, और जॉब ही के रेस में सारे लोग एकदम पागल हुए हुए हैं। तो इस रेस में सारे लोग अदर चीज को भूल चुके हैं। ट्रेडिंग भी स्किल्स में काउंट होता है, क्योंकि ट्रेडिंग्स में भी कई सारी वैरायटी है। ट्रेडिंग इज नॉट जस्ट वन थिंग, उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। डिजिटली भी होता है, वो ऑफलाइन भी आपको जाना पड़ता है, कन्विंस करना पड़ता है लोगों को। एंड ट्रेडिंग considered a lot of things in itself. That is why, according to me, if they want, then there is a very bright future in the trading. Suppose that everyone is going
See,
separated
tell
from
me the
other
future.
ways.
What future actually?
According to me, the future is very bright in trading. अगर आप किसी भी अलग रास्ते पे जाते हो, तो वहां पर एग्जैक्टली जहाँ पर कोई नहीं, कंपटीशन कम है, और जहाँ कंपटीशन कम है वहां पर आप बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हो अगर आप बेस्ट हो तो उसमें।
Which is more important, marketing or skills?
Definitely skills, because
Skills.
yeah, definitely, because
बट आई हैव अ क्रॉस क्वेश्चन कि स्किल अगर है इंसान के पास, ठीक है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल भुट्टा बेचने वाले हर कोई आम रोड पे देख लेते होंगे। एक भुट्टा बेचने वाला एक 10 रुपए का नॉर्मल एक भुट्टा बेचता है, ठीक, वो उसका क्या हो गया, स्किल। बट वही भुट्टा को अगर मॉल में बेचा जाए या फिर कहीं और बीच पे बेचा जाए, वो भुट्टे 100 रुपए के हो जाते हैं, 50 रुपए के हो जाते हैं। तो ये इसको कहते हैं मार्केटिंग। तो क्या कैन यू सेपरेट दीज टू वर्ड्स?
डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि मार्केट जब तक स्किल नहीं होंगे तब तक हम मार्केटिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं? अगर स्किल है कुछ बनाने का, हमको कुछ नया जनरेट करने का, तभी हम उसको मार्केट में ला सकते हैं। अगर जो स्किल नहीं है, फिर हम उसको ऐसे-तैसे करके मार्केट में लाएँ, तो उसको कोई परचेज़ नहीं करेगा। लेकिन अगर हम उसको अच्छे तरीके से उसको मैन्युफैक्चर करके तब मार्केट में लाएँ, तो सबको अट्रैक्शन मिलेंगे कि नहीं, ये कुछ आया है, तो उसको हम परचेज़ करेंगे, तो खुद ब खुद एक मार्केट में वो आने लगेंगे।
और क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है? गवर्नमेंट जॉब के अलावा क्या फ्यूचर है?
As you have asked from us like which one is important, marketing and skill, I think both are very important. First you have to learn a skill, after that you have to go for marketing. सपोज आप स्किल सीख गए, लेकिन सही बात है, अगर आप मार्केटिंग ही नहीं जानते हो, उसको कैसे आप ये आप ग्राहक तक पहुंचा पाओगे? इसके लिए आपको बहुत जरूरी है, आपको फील्ड में जाना होगा. पीपल वांट कंफर्ट, पीपल जस्ट वांट टू डू गवर्नमेंट जॉब बिकॉज दे वांट लग्जरी, दे डोंट वांट टू डू जॉब.
गवर्नमेंट जॉब के चक्कर में लोग 10 साल गवा देते हैं। उस 10 साल में वो 10 लाख 10 करोड़ रुपए कमा सकते थे।
One of my sister told me those who are preparing for UPSC or SSC exam, if they will take interest in different fields like in private sector, they will earn lots of money. So we have to change our mindset. We have to create awareness among us. And Bihari people are not aware that much, they are struggling day by day.
ऐसा है।
Of course,
ये लग रहा है बिहारी बिहारी ही रह जाएंगे। बहुत सारे लोगों से हम ऐसा सुना। ऐसा है सर?
Basically, Bihari has a lots of hesitations.
एजुटेशन सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम।
Yes, they always thinks if I will start any business, then what will people think about me? Because if I have come here,
सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग?
yes,
ऐसा है ना?
या बहुत यही है सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, क्योंकि यहाँ के पीपल लोग सोचते हैं कि हम कोई स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, कुछ छोटे चीज़ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। लाइक अब्रॉड में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स भी हैं जो प्राइवेट सेक्टर में स्टूडेंट है, बट स्टिल वो बर्गर के शॉप में, कोई अच्छे शॉप में काम करके वो खुद का वो अर्निंग जनरेट के पढ़ते हैं, स्किल्स गेन करते हैं। बट यहाँ के है फैमिली का भी माइंडसेट वही है कि नहीं, बच्चे को क्या करना है, प्रिपेयर करना है गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए।
तो
बच्चे
मायने क्या रखता है, रेपुटेशन और मनी?
लाइक आई थिंक बोथ reputation and money. If you have money, you will get reputation.
No, I don't think so. Politician has a lot of money, but if you go in your society, nobody will respect.
Like it's like another matter, like politician. Like if you
No, no. Even if you go to a criminal, he has a lots of money. He can buy bungalow and car a lot, but people don't respect him.
yeah, because of their like criminal background. But we are like gentle citizen, and we are. If you like have money,
Can reputation provide us food?
I think yeah, we can say.
How?
Like if you like suppose any actor and suppose any NGO workers and NGO like CEO also, like they have a reputation, and when they will go in anywhere, they will get also food, I think, with the help of reputation.
आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि क्या जरूरी है सोसाइटी में, रेपुटेशन ज्यादा जरूरी है या मनी ज्यादा जरूरी है?
I think both are very important, because if you don't have money, then you will not be respected by anyone. And by earning money, you have to work hard. And
But there is nothing like that. If you go to your village, oldest people like 90 years old, every people do respect them, but they don't have money. All their money goes to their child.
yeah, that is very I think debatable topic that could be. But in the village, I can say that about the elder people, they are getting respect by their values they are putting into another students also in that area. Like if I talk about my grandfather, then he's retired teacher, government teacher, and he is also right now he's free. He can sit in the home alone and do nothing, but he loves to teach students in free of cost. And by doing that, everybody respects them. And if it comes to voting, then also many people come to them and ask him that who should I vote. And because he is very educated, and whatever he says, that everybody values it and think that he is right and it should be done.
कोई ऐसा भी कह रहा है 6 लोगों से शादी कर लेना चाहिए?
No, we can do business, we can go through the business. There are so many options. If you know how to do dance, so you can open your dance class, start these like teaching how to do
तो
dance.
ऐसा भी है, क्या कहेंगे लोग वाली प्रॉब्लम?
If you listen to the people, so you will not be able to like fit yourself and fit your family self. So ask people, if I am going to open it, if you love future on, so just give me money and I will fit my family.
Can women run a business?
Yeah, we should focus on the business. If you don't have anything to do, just start doing business. You will earn more than all those things where people are running after.
One more thing you have said. What was that?
Yeah, content creation would be a big thing in the world, like, because anything can be a content nowadays. Anything like going on a motorcycle ride, you can just blog it. Like talking to your family, even a general family conversation, you can record it and post it. Like there are several examples on the YouTube channels like Saurabh Joshi or
Is there any future of that?
there is actually quite a future, and since like okay, it can be a future proof or security, but in a span of time you can earn a good amount of money so that you can invest in a further business or things like that. And there is a lot of money by sponsors, and big companies are sponsoring these creators, like they are earning in that.
Sometimes they just influencer generally advertise so many wrong things also.
I mean,
जैसे
yes,
आमिर खान sorry what was his name, अजय देवगन, विमल पान मसाला. So is it right or wrong?
I think that could be morally somehow wrong, but that's more of a government side thing, like if government is allowing it and the company is running.
Actually, people thought they are ideal for them, and they are promoting Vimal Pan Masala.
Yeah, so that's a moral compass, you could say. Like people dabble around what should be right and what should be wrong, but it's more of a money based thing. So if the money is higher, moral comes down. That's the case.
Yes.
About the Bimal Pan Masalas, people are not reading it very carefully because they are not into it. It's all the mindset of their people because they are like promoting the elaichi, but but same package, same things. This is the marketing of that, and this is that they are playing with us because what Ajay Devgan is advertising is elaichi pan masala. It's not pan masala, but people are like reading it. People are not reading it. They are just focusing on the packaging. They look same, and
But
they
even if you see the poster of means cigarette, liquor, or anything, you will find the poster of a celebrity. Somewhere you will find a picture of celebrity, even in a small shop, Gumti, we can say that. So wahan we can find the picture of that. Even Salman Khan was the banner of that.
so they know that they are advertising for the like pan masalas. They know that they are getting the payment from it, or just they are using their his or her picture for that. They know that the stars are knowing it. I'm asking.
Of course, they are knowing it.
Okay.
सो आपने सुना कि हर लोगों की अलग अलग थॉट प्रोसेस है. जैसे किसी का कहना इन्फ्लुएंसर, कंटेंट क्रिएटर, बिजनेस कर सकते हैं, एविएशन में जा सकते हैं. यस, बहुत सारे स्कोप है. फर्स्टली हम लोगों को अपनी स्किल्स को जानना है. हमारा स्किल क्या है, हम किस डायरेक्शन में अच्छा कर सकते हैं. वी नीड टू नो दैट. उसके बाद उसकी मार्केटिंग उतनी ही जरूरी है जितनी आपकी स्किल. कभी कभी क्या होता है, लोग कुछ सामान किसी से लेके सेल कर देते हैं, रीसेलिंग का भी काम करते हैं, उसमें उनकी कोई स्किल नहीं लगती है, बट वो मार्केटिंग अच्छा कर लेते हो, तो दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट. व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन? डू शेयर विद अस. थैंक्स फॉर